Welcome, everybody! In our last video, we explored what groups and fields are, and we created our first textual field. Today, we will be focusing on how to create a group with different types of fields. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Back to our first lead details group. The purpose of this group is to gather different information of a new or existing lead in the company, such as first name, last name, Idaho, lead source, email, phone number, residential address, and provide a safe and functionable platform for the details to be stored. We have already created the first name field, so let's see how we can create a complete group today. Next on the list is the last name. We will follow the same logic we used to create the first name field. We add the field name and a description if we want. We specify if this a required field or not, the data type as textual, customize any of the below entries if we want, and finally, we create our second field of the group, the last name. Moving on to the ID number, in this field, we will still select the text field and name it ID number. However, the data type will be Loon algorithm. This is an algorithm within Origami that verifies if the ID, passport, or social security number is correct, regardless the country, and provides real-time interaction and engagement with the user at the time of making the entry. Lastly, it is important to choose unique for entity, as these kind of data are unique for each person. Now let's create our lead source field to identify where the leads are coming from. For this field, we will choose the single selection field. This is a drop-down menu with different source options, but only one selection a user can make. To create my drop-down menu, we can create it from the values section here and add different options, for instance, Google Ads, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Once we are satisfied with our options, then we add the field. Now we need to add the email of the lead. We simply choose the email field. Origami provides a lot of supporting workflows within the platform to automate email processes. It is very important for the emails to be hosted in the email field and not the text field, so we make sure we gather data correctly and are able to develop different workflows. We name it as email and customize the field as we want with the options below. Finally, add the field in the group. Moving on to the next lead details is the phone number. You simply drag and drop the telephone field, add the name, let's call it phone number, choose your required format amongst the many that Origami provides you here. If you choose to leave it blank, then users can insert their phone numbers in the format they prefer or basis their country. Finally, we can add the address by selecting the address field. Simply add the name of the field, for instance, let's call it address, customize it as per your preferences, and add the field. Well done! We have now created our first group that includes all the leads details. We have added the first name, last name, Idaho number, lead source, email, phone number, address. Proceed finalizing the group by clicking on the Add a New Field group. Here's your first field group with 7 fields. But wait, what is the red message on the right side? Let's discover this on the next video. Let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions or contact us directly through our website. Next up is to explore the page views and create our first entries in the lead details group.